Okay, so generally in the smartphone market, there are stereotypes like camera should be on top, speakers at the bottom, the SIM slots on the side, and several other things. Of course, there are reasons behind the positioning of it too. And every once in a while, there comes a phone that changes almost everything we have ever perceived about phones. And it's fair to say Asus and Lenovo does this with their gaming sub-brands Legion and ROG Phone 3. In case you don't know, Legion is a sub-brand of Lenovo exclusively for gaming, that has gaming laptops and PCs. And Legion gaming phone is undoubtedly an attention grabber. With announcement about this phone made on December 2019 by Lenovo, they have also launched the teasers and trailers. But the reason why this phone classifies to be a beast is because of its specs. It's kind of overwhelming. First thing that actually grabbed my attention was the refresh rate. Lenovo Legion gaming phone has a whopping 144Hz refresh rate, a 90-watt fast charging. It uses a Snapdragon 865 chipset. This phone, I think, was extremely targeted to beat its rival Asus ROG Phone. So let's do a quick comparison. Lenovo Legion has an edge over Asus ROG Phone 2 in terms of refresh rate, battery capacity, and the chipsets used. But when it gets compared to Asus ROG Phone 3, which was launched recently, it actually lags behind. It is like it almost failed even before it's launched. But it's too quick to judge about the phone. In fact, the specs alone doesn't make the best phone. Remember, the best bricks in the world doesn't guarantee the best building. This phone has a pop-up front-facing camera, but unlike other typical smartphones, it does not come from the top. And here is the surprise. It comes from the side instead. Since it is a gaming smartphone, this will be useful in live streaming of games, as you can see the reactions of the player. It's quite intimidating. I haven't seen a phone like this. However, the price of the phone is not revealed yet, so we have to wait till the official announcement from Lenovo. Some of the other specs include a 20 megapixel front-facing camera, 64 megapixel main camera, and a 16 megapixel wide angle. The phone runs Android 10 with Lenovo's ZUI 12 customizations on top and is likely to be sold as Legion OS. It too has a 270Hz touch sampling rate, which will be a treat for gamers, and a DDR5 RAM, and we still don't know the exact RAM offered, though it is expected to be somewhere around 8 GB. So, these are the features that are based on the leaks provided by XDA developers. In case you are interested, go to their website and dig deep on its features and the numbers. I'll mention the link in the description below. I'll also be doing a separate video about Asus ROG Phone 3, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, a sub to the channel would be incredible. My name is Sanosh, this is StarBoy, and I'll catch you in the next one.